Tired of the same old snacks? Let's spice up your baking game with a twist of pumpkin and whole wheat. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a large bowl and mix 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now, for the pumpkin magic. Add in 1 cup of pureed pumpkin. Make sure it's not pumpkin pie filling. Throw in ½ cup of unsweetened applesauce and ¼ cup of honey for a natural sweet touch. Mix it all up until it's just combined. Don't overmix or you'll have pumpkin bricks instead of bread. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan and sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top for an extra crunch. Bake it for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool, slice it up, and dive into your delicious guilt-free treat. Perfect with your morning coffee or as a midday snack.